Hi, I'm Pastor Jenny.
And I'm Pastor Dave.
And we are the
PortaParsonage,
ministering where you are, professing our hope,
and encouraging you.
Who are we and what is the PortaParsonage?
We're both pastors who enjoy our work, love camping, and believe these two things go together.
We want to share our adventurous journeys of camping and hiking, biking, and developing our property in Pennsylvania, and we want to share our spiritual journey.
Through our DIY videos, bucket list videos, and product reviews, we share our experiences to encourage you in your adventures and journeys.
Through our morning prayer, special holiday worship times, and commitment to praying for and with you, we profess our hope to support you in your faith.
Our mission comes from Hebrews 10:23-25. Let us hold unswervingly to the hope we profess, for he who promised is faithful.
And let us consider how we may spur one another on toward love and good deeds, not giving up meeting together as some who are in the habit of doing, but encouraging one another, all the more as you see the day approaching.
So let's have some fun together.
And support one another along the way.